guys, welcome. What's the word? I'm not prepared. I think I should comb my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay. Why is my heart beating so fast? Ooh. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Whew. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I'm going to tell you this for free. If you feel frightened, if you feel like your heart is pumping so fast, I'm sorry if you just keep on hearing the sound. They're trying to repair one or two things in the house. So going on, if you feel like you just have that pressure to just be on your makeup, because I think you guys have seen me on my natural face like so many times, and see, you just have to take your time. That's one thing you should know, and this is something that nobody tells you about. Just have to, you grow with time. You don't have to like come out there and with full force. Listen, if you come out with the full force, you're going to back out with full force. I'm telling you this, and this is guaranteed. Yes, I think I've been on YouTube for more than 4 months now. Yes, and I've gained almost more than 700 subscribers. I know it's kind of low or kind of high, I don't know from your own perspective, but I just think that is very okay from where I am. Like I don't even expect me to be on that level right now, but I'm really grateful. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do help this channel to grow. Share this video, like this video, because I'm going to tell you every single thing that you need to know that no subscriber tells you, no YouTuber tells you. So please keep it locked and don't go anywhere. So this is something that every YouTuber tells you, because I know you've watched a lot of YouTube videos on what you should do before you start up your YouTube channel, and I'm going to tell you this. So everybody says that you should make a video, or you should create an idea of the things that you want to make, the video you want to make, the kind of content you want to produce, whatever. You should make at least 100, 150. And I'm telling you this, look, the 60% of everything that you've listed are not going to work out, because you find yourself doing something else. Let's say you've planned to do videos or pranks, and you've listed so many pranks idea, and then later on when you start your YouTube channel, you find out that you actually love vlogs. Do you understand? So even me, I did that because I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and they were like, make ideas of so many things that you want to do in your YouTube channel, and I listed so many things. It filled my book, like, and still I've not done any of the, because when I look at the topics, I'm like, no, I can't do this. This is not something that I want to do. So I just feel like you grow with your channel. It's just safe to just make like at least 10 to 20 ideas that you want your channel to be, so that you know that this is what your channel is all about. And another thing I want to talk about is your YouTube channel name. Your YouTube channel name is something that you should put more time than even bringing ideas. You should put more time in your YouTube channel's name, because see, okay, Army and Record came from my name, Amaka, Army for short, and then for record means that I literally video myself doing so many things, and I know that I'm going to be involved in so many videos, I'm not going to limit myself to the videos I make. So I know that I'm going to do like hair videos, skin videos, makeup, fashion, vlogs, pranks, everything. So I had to cut it short to go for Army on Record. And now, if you know you want your name to be the full name of your YouTube channel, maybe your name is Amaka Delight, it's fine. You just have to make sure that you're the only one answering Amaka Delight on YouTube. I'm very sorry. Please just come closer, because what I have to tell you, we have to move. I don't have to stop. I can't stop this video for anything, because I've already planned to do these videos for so long, and now after this video, nothing can stop me. I'm very sorry for the sound. So moving on, what you should keep in mind is to make your intro and your outro videos. I think if you watch like my first video, if you like, you can check my first videos. I don't have any intro, I don't have any outro video, any outro clip at all. So you should know that you should have an intro clip. Intro clip is what you have to just tell people that this is what my channel is into, this is what you get to see my channel, this is my face, this is the person you're going to talk to. Then your outro is more like, thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel. I didn't have any clip like that in my first 2 or 3 videos, and See, the video was not that bad, but I'm just saying that if you want your video to be like a YouTube standard video, you should make your intro and your outro clips, and it's not difficult. You can go on YouTube and just type how to make intro videos or how to make outro videos. If you want to know how I made my own intro and outro video, please comment below and I just might do that video. So the second point, you know that you're going to get, sometimes you're going to get 1 views, you're going to get 1 subscribers in a week, in 2 weeks you're still having 10 or 5 subscribers. Look, you don't have to depend on your family or your friends. Don't even pressure them, because a lot of people prefer to go on Instagram than even coming on YouTube to even watch their videos. So what you should just do is just keep on uploading your video. You know how many people in a minute that wants to come on YouTube to be a YouTuber, so you just have to keep on uploading that video. See, at some point I was tired. I was telling my close friend, I was like, I can't do this anymore. Like, how can I be uploading videos and I'm just seeing I'm not even getting the kind of subscribers I want? So it was really weighing me down. But the thing I have to tell you is that you just have to keep on uploading. I found out that when I kept on uploading, YouTube actually like recommended my videos to other people, and when people watch one of your videos, they want to watch your other videos, and that is how they stay permanent and then subscribe. So you just need to like make your videos, make a lot of videos, get those views, get those subscribers, and don't feel bad when you know that your subscribers are not increasing. That's YouTube for you. That is YouTube for you. And when you're making your videos, you need to make sure that you're using your sunlight, you're using somewhere that is very clear and simple and cool. When somebody is listening to you, they'll actually like focus on you and know what you're talking about. So this is something that you should really consider as your second point. Know that the views are going to be low at some point and they're going to be high at some point. So you just need to keep on uploading. Don't pressure yourself. Don't even look. The moment you start to compare yourself to other YouTubers, that is when you're going to feel so much pressure on yourself. Don't even compare yourself to any YouTuber. Do you know what I do? When I feel like, see, we're all humans, and when I feel like I'm not doing well, or when I feel like, oh my god, this YouTuber has like so many subscribers and so many views, I'll probably like check the page, and many a times when I check the page, this person is like 3 years ago. I'm like, wait, Amaka, you just have to chill. See, we are all going to make it on YouTube. So that's what you have to know. We are all going to make it on YouTube. It's not easy at all. Like every single time, I don't even go on my WhatsApp anymore. Every single time, I'm always on my YouTube studio. If you don't have YouTube studio, you need to download your YouTube studio. Don't worry, I'm going to make another video. If you want me to make another video of the apps I use for my YouTube, please comment below and I'll do that definitely. Every time I go to my YouTube studio to check how many views I have for that particular video, to check how many subscribers I have, like I'm always on my YouTube studio to know what's up. See, a lot of things are going on YouTube. I need to, YouTube is work. YouTube is work. So every YouTuber that you know, please just pray for them, because YouTube is work. If you have like 2 or 3 jobs to do and YouTube is also like the 3rd or the 4th job, hey, see, you need to understand that the pressure is going to be much on you, because YouTube is like a full-time job, because you just need to keep on uploading your videos, and you just need to keep on posting, and you just need to keep on creating content. And creating content is not even easy at all. Like anybody that says that the person is a content creator, because every single person on YouTube is a content creator. This is one thing you have to consider when you want to start up your YouTube channel. So the third thing that you should consider before you start up your YouTube channel is sub for sub. Okay, I need to drop this in my book. Look, sub for sub does not work at all. I've had so many sub for sub on my Instagram page. Like some people come to me and they're like, hello, I'm your record. I saw your page where blah blah blah, and I think you're cool. I've watched some of your videos. Please can you subscribe to my channel? Me, as a kind girl that I am, I just subscribe. And when I find out that these people actually like unsubscribe like after a few minutes, because I don't even know, like, okay, let's say YouTube obviously does not tell us when they unsubscribe, but I'm very sure that this sub for sub does not work. When you post your videos on YouTubers, support small YouTubers, and see, they're going to support you that moment, but the next minute they are seeing your video, or the next minute they are just unsubscribing. So it's just a lot of work. You just have to keep on uploading your videos. I just have to keep on saying this. Keep on uploading your videos, and it will help you to grow. I'm telling you this, it will help you to grow. Sub for sub does not work. It doesn't work even on Facebook, because I know there's so many Facebook page that that is created for sub. Yes, they'll sub and then the next week they're unsubscribing. So why would you want to go through that stress of actually subscribing to someone's channel and then the next week they're unsubscribing to your channel? Like, okay, let's say you have 20 subscribers, someone chatted it up and they were like, please subscribe to my channel, I'm going to subscribe back to your channel. And then the minute you subscribe to their channel and they subscribe to your channel, you get like 21 subscribers. You find out that in the afternoon, maybe it happened, all these things happen in the morning, you find out that in the afternoon that 21 is turning to 20 because they've unsubscribed. Those few weeks that I started my YouTube channel, I was everywhere. I was like, okay. But I find that every single time I'm reducing. Every time I wake up in the morning, it's reducing by 2, it's reducing by 5. I'm like, what's happening? Do I see? I felt so bad, like, because every single time that people come up to me to subscribe, I subscribe to their channel. I actually subscribe. And you know, the thing that I want to point out is that people know that they don't like your content. Like, probably the person is into football or news or anything, and then the person comes to my channel, sees hair videos, vlogs, pranks, and the person is not into that. Why would the person still come to my page to tell me subscribe? Like, I'll obviously subscribe. Most times I do subscribe, even though I don't have to, even though I'm not interested. But you know that you're not interested in this thing and then you subscribe just for you to unsubscribe. Like, why? Like, if I don't subscribe, I'll tell you that I'll not subscribe. So why will you subscribe to someone's channel? See, they will go as far as to screenshotting the subscribe page that they've actually subscribed and commented on your page, on your posts, on your video rather. But then the next week they're unsubscribing. So it's not for me. The stress is not for me at all. One thing that you should consider before you start up your YouTube channel is having your camera. I obviously don't have my own camera, but I use my phone camera and it serves me very, very well. Like, you can actually see my face and you can hear everything I'm saying. So it's a very good start. You don't need to buy Canon or Nikon or anything at all, because those cameras are very, very expensive and you really don't know if you want to have your YouTube channel for a long time. So you just have to go with your phone. Just make sure that your phone is well lighted. And yeah, if your room is not well lighted, you can get artificial lights. You can get your ring light, obviously, because I'm also using my ring light, although my window is also open. Let me show you guys. So my window is actually open so that I'll get that natural light and it will bounce back on my face. I'm also using my ring light to film, so it's okay to before I even got my ring light, I actually always stand on that mirror, on that window, to do my videos. And without anything, I just mount so many things on top so that everything will balance and I'll make my video. So you just have to first of all get your camera. Your phone camera can serve you well. Then your lighting, you should make sure that you have good lights for your video. Like, it's very, very clear that everybody can see you. Want to make a video where there is no light and someone is stressing their eyes to see you. Me, I'll just leave that video. That's me. So you just have to make a video where everybody can actually see you and hear you. Talking about hearing you, you need to get your mic if you know that you can't talk well, because I'm obviously shouting. Really, like, the person from the other room can hear me. I'm actually planning to get my mic so that I can just relax and talk and just, you guys can hear me. So this is actually my voice. This is my voice when I'm not shouting. Like, yeah. So, but when I want people to hear me, this is my voice. So the third thing that you should get is your mic. You can connect your mic so that you don't have to stress yourself like me. And then the most important thing is your editing software. You need to know how to edit your video. You don't want to make your video and there's so many errors and then everybody's like, what's happening? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to tell us? What's the aim of this video? You don't have to make that kind of video, and you know that you don't want to watch that kind of video. So you need to know your editing app. And I use iMovie for now. It serves me very well. Like, I don't have any issue, although I see a lot of editing that I watch on YouTube videos and they're like, wow, they're like, they can take you here, you can zoom this way, can take you back. But me, I'm okay. I'm very, very okay with iMovie. Probably when I start making money on YouTube, I can actually, like, if I get monetized, the first thing I'll get is an Apple laptop. Though I have a HP laptop, which is serving me very well. I just feel like as I've started my editing on iMovie, I feel like I just need to keep on, because I'm very, very comfortable with iMovie. So even if I see iMovie, even if I get iMovie on my Apple laptop, I'll be able to like use them. So it's just that way. Like even if I get monetized, the next first thing I will get is my Apple laptop, because I know that to get those editing apps you have to buy them. So your girl is not yet ready for all those things. I'm very, very comfortable with my iMovie. You should just know what is very good for you and what you're comfortable with. I don't know about Androids. I don't know about, but I know they have good editing apps on Android phones. You should check it out on your YouTube channel to know how to edit your videos. And please don't even think of editing your videos with watermark, because it doesn't look clean. When you're making your video and you see maybe iMovie down there, it doesn't make sense. Please just try and get an editing app that doesn't have watermark below, so that your videos will be very, very clear and cool. So the last point I told you that you should keep on watching to the end of this video is the YouTube algorithm. Look, YouTube, the main aim of YouTube, what YouTube really wants is, YouTube wants to draw traffic. That's just it. YouTube wants to draw every single person that is on Facebook, on Instagram. And see, let's be sincere. If you want to cook, if you want to make money, you check on YouTube to know the recipe and everything. If you're in a difficult position, you check you on YouTube to know all these things. So that is what YouTube wants. If you want to watch your movie, you come to YouTube. If you want to watch your Nigerian movie, if you want to watch any movie at all, your Indian movie, you come on YouTube and you watch them. If you want to know the latest news, you come on YouTube and you check them. Like YouTube, that's what YouTube actually wants. Like YouTube wants to draw every single person that is on other social media platforms to come to YouTube. So the moment you keep on making these videos, the moment YouTube actually recommends these videos to a lot of people that don't even know you, a lot of people. So what I have to end this video is that making videos randomly, videos that you think that will not even make well, make those videos, because you don't even know when you're going to blow on this YouTube. You don't know the video that YouTube actually like put out there and so that YouTube actually take it and post everybody and, you know, like make it viral. So you just have to keep on making those YouTube videos, make those videos, and don't get tired at all. See, it's okay to get tired. It's okay to take your time. Okay to feel like you're not moving forward. You just have to know that as you've agreed to start up your YouTube channel, that is going to move ahead from that point. Like you have a bright future from that point. So what are you waiting for? Start up that YouTube channel now. Create that YouTube channel name now. Like think about it. Create it now. It's not even difficult at all. You're watching me and you don't want that will be that YouTube channel. Probably today your YouTube channel, and these are like some of the tips that you should know to like grow your YouTube channel. And yeah, you can thank me in the comment section, and you're welcome. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this video to this length. And if you have any questions for me, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer you. I'm always in the comment section. I'm always waiting for you to talk to me. I'm always waiting for your comments. Please do comment below, and don't forget to like this video and share to your friends if you want them to grow. If you know you have YouTubers as small YouTubers like me, or you want them to actually grow from probably they are like 100 or 200 and you want them to grow, these are the tips that really help you in your YouTube channel. Yes, thank you so much, and don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful. I love you.